Hi everyone, this is Mr. No. In this video, I will show you yet another interesting AI tool. So this time it's known as Google Flow Music. So using this tool, you can compose any song. So you can come to this website flowmusic.app. So this is a portal by Google. So here you can sign up for free. So if you want advanced credits, then you can upgrade. So they are offering various, so you see this daily top up credits, 2 concurrent generation, all core features. At $6 per month, they will give you 3000 credits. So it's similar to, they have a monthly and yearly plan too. So it's similar to Suno. I have not used it till now, so I've come across it right now. So let's see how it goes. I may not play some of these music videos because it might attract copyright issues sometimes, so that's the reason I'm not playing it. But I will show you how you can create songs. So I will come here, new session. Now you see this, propose 2 deep cut featured tracks that are ready to brought to life visually. Brainstorm visual style. So this is a basic prompt that it has given. Okay, these are the various things that people have created. So I'm not going to play these things which is created by people. So you can see the number of plays it had, number of likes it has. So a lot of things are there. So maybe I'll go and create my own. So I have asked ChatGPT to create lyrics for a Malayalam song. Okay, so let me put that here. So this is a Malayalam song. Describe the song. I'll say it is peppy Malayalam song. Okay, so now details, that's okay. So maybe I'll remove this part, then I'll say generate, and let's see what is gonna. So okay, it's a peppy Malayalam song. This is the lyrics, so it's creating it for me. So it can even create video for that song. That's what it looks like. Now it's generating that peppy Malayalam song. So let's see. So you see this vibe ആണ് നമ്മളെല്ലാം ഫയർ ആണ്, സ്മൈൽ ഒന്നും പോഡ്, ലൈഫ് ഫുൾ കളർ ആണ്, വൈബ് ആണ്, ഡാൻസ് ചെയ്യർ ഹയർ ആണ്. Okay, now let's see. Now let's play. So this is the song which I have created.
നമ്മളെല്ലാം ഫയറാണു, സ്മൈൽ ഒന്ന് പോട്, ലൈഫ് ഫുൾ കളറാണു, വൈബാണു, ഡാൻസ് ചെയ്യൂ ഹയറാണു, കൈ ഉയർത്തി പാടു, ഇന്നും നമ്മയുടെ ടൈമാണു. മോർണിംഗ് അലാം സ്നൂസ് ചെയ്താൽ ഡ്രീം ഒക്കെ ഡൗൺലോഡായി, കാഫി കുടിച്ചു റോഡിൽ പോയി, സൺഷൈൻ സെൽഫി റെഡിയായി, പോക്കറ്റിൽ പൈസ കുറവായും ഹാർട്ടിൽ ബാറ്ററി ഫുള്ളാണു, ഫ്രണ്ട്സ് ഉണ്ടിൽ വേൾഡ് മൊത്തം വീക്കെൻഡ് എവറിഡേ ആണു. ലെഫ്റ്റ് റൈറ്റ് ബീറ്റിൽ നടക്ക്, ക്ലൗഡ് 9 മൂഡിൽ പറക്ക്, പ്രോബ്ലംസ് ഒക്കെ മ്യൂട്ട് ചെയ്യൂ, ഹാപ്പി മോഡിൽ ലോഗിൻ ചെയ്യൂ. മഴ വന്നാൽ ഡാൻസ് ചെയ്യും, വെയിൽ വന്നാൽ ഷെയ്ഡ്സ് ഇടും, ബസ് സ്റ്റോപ്പന സ്റ്റേജ് ആക്കും, സ്ട്രീറ്റ് മൊത്തം നമ്മൾ ഓൺ ചെയ്യും, ഫോൺ ക്യാമറ ഓൺ ആക്കി, മെമ്മറീസ് റീലാക്കി, ടുമോറോ എന്തായും ടുഡേ ഫുൾ ഫീലാക്കി. ನಾನು ಇನ್ನು ಫುಲ್ ಸೆಲೆಬ್ರೇಷನ್ ನಾನು ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲೂ ನಿಚ್ಚಲ್ ಹಿಸ್ಟರಿ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಷನ್ ನಾನು ಹಿಸ್ಟರಿ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಷನ್ ನಾನು ಬಾಯ್ ಬಾನು.
As you can see, this looks like a very premium song, right? So now if you look at it, you have additional options here. You can remix it and do various other things. Okay, so now I have created it. So here I have option of sharing this link, downloading the video. So let's see if I can create a video out of it. Pick a template to create a video. I'm gonna create a music video out of it. Okay, so let's see. Videos can be up to 2 minutes long and take time to generate. Choose your favorite song. Okay, got it. So let's make a music video with the song. Okay, this is the song link I put. Awesome, let's create an incredible music video together. What are the music videos? Okay, song selection, you have picked a great track. Music videos are premium features, so we'll take our time to get every detail perfect before creating yours to get us moving. How are you picturing the visual vibe on this track? Also, do you have a specific character or photo you want to use as a likeliness reference? So in this video it's asking if you want to give a reference photo. So if I have a reference photo, I can give it. So let me see if I can give. So if you see this subject image, upload an image, optional image for a character or likeness. Then style reference, choose another image to set the vibe environment. I say no specific, youth. Okay, I just say youth. I didn't say anything about it. I just mentioned that youth vibe to classify classic starting point. Okay, so do you have a photo of a specific person you want to star in it, or an image that capture the visual style you're after? So lyrics, should we display the lyrics on the screen? I say yes, display the lyrics on the screen. On the screen. Format is landscape. Use this reference image. So I will give it one image now.
Thanks for tuning in with me. Glad you're part of this community. Hit the button down below, let our little family grow. Like and subscribe, yeah, don't you go. See you on the next episode, let's start the